Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable auto-delete chat messages for 1 month on Telegram. This is a great feature if you want to keep your conversations clean, organized, and more private without manually deleting messages. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. Next, go to the chat where you want to enable auto-delete. This can be a private conversation with a friend or any contact where you want messages to disappear automatically after a certain time. Once you're inside the chat, tap on your friend's name at the top of the screen. This will open the chat details page where you can manage different settings for that conversation. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 dots. This will open a small menu with more options. From this menu, tap on Auto Delete. This is where you can control how long messages stay in the chat before they are automatically removed. You'll now see different time options. Go ahead and select 1 month. Once you choose this, Telegram will automatically delete all new messages in this chat after 1 month. And that's it. From now on, any new messages sent in this chat will be automatically removed after 30 days, helping to keep your conversations clutter-free and more secure. Keep in mind, this setting only applies to messages sent after enabling the feature. Older messages will stay unless you delete them manually. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.